Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can create a simple employee attendance tracker. It directly calculates the percent of present and the percent of absent, as you see. Now let's get started. First of all, for example, I have this names. Just from here, bring border. I bring this border. Okay, name it names. Merge this to cell. Insert person symbol. From here, write present. From this one, absent. From this one, for example, I start from 1st of January 2026. For example, 01 slash 01 2021. Okay, click this cell and change its text direction to this one and bring it to here. Now just drag it. Okay, 31st of January. It's good. Now zoom out, select all these cells and resize it. Good. It is too much. Make it fit. Now you can select all these cells, merge and center, name it date. Okay, home, date, cell style. For example, I select this color and 14 bold. Now merge, select all these cells, merge and center, name it, select it, cell style, bring this one is good, bold, make it 18, change its style, for example, for this one. Also, you can make these text bold. Now, select all of these cells and bring all borders. Great. Just for this one, select this and make it no border. This time, select it, this one. Select this to cell, text style, the style, center and center. Select it, make it bold and 14, bold and 14, make it bold, 14, again, select it, cell style, this color, it is good. For this one, present, cell style, good, this one, select it, bad, and make it bold, but let be 14 and 14. Good. Regarding this name, fill this color, bring it to center. Okay, 14 and bold. Now select all these cells from conditional formatting, icon status, more or less, drop down, select this one, bring number, this one, number, this one 0, and also change this icon to this one. Also show icon only. Select show icon only. Okay. Now if I put 1, directly it shows this tick. If you put 0, it shows cross. If you put 1, it shows green tick. Now I need to insert a formula here. Select this cell, right click, count of, select the range, comma, 1, calculate 1, close bracket, divide by number of days. Number of days is 31, so divide by 31. Enter. Now remove decimals. This one. Okay. Click percent. It is good. Regarding this one, equal sign 1 minus this one, 29%. Now drag it to here. Drag this to here. Now select this cell, conditional formatting, data bars, more rules, select formula, insert 0, formula, insert 1, select color. For example, I selected this color. Solid fill, select gradient fill, and color I want this color. Okay. Direction, right to left. Okay, you see. Again for this one, select this, conditional formatting, data bars, more rules, select formula, 0, select formula, 1, select color. For example, I selected this color. Solid fill, select gradient fill, direction, left to right. Okay. Now we are ready. Just insert attendance and present. For example, for present 1. That's all. Have a nice day.